What's up guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video I'm featuring this CVLIFE Red Dot Magnifier combo kit they sent me to showcase for you guys. I'm going to bring you guys in for a closer look at this combo and go over the details with you. Stand by. Alright guys, so very briefly this is what you're going to get in your packaging. You're going to get your Magnifier Red Dot. Red Dot comes on a high rise. You're going to get a user manual for your Red Dot, a user manual for the Magnifier. You do get a low rise if you want to put this here on something lower. You're going to get a couple of Torx wrenches for installation and removal, 2 batteries, one's already installed in my Red Dot, and some lens cleaning cloths here. All right, so let's talk about this kit here. First of all, on the Magnifier, you do have a diopter wheel here for adjusting the glass to your eyesight. It is quick release. It's got a quick release cam here for easy installation and removal out in the field if for whatever reason you take this off. You've got your turrets here for adjusting the reticle inside the magnifier so that the reticle is in the center of the magnifier. It's on a cam, so you can flip this over without having to push any buttons or anything like that. Just cam it over and it's out of the way. The Red Dot itself has 3 reticles. You've got a 3 MOA Dot, a 65 MOA Circle, and you can also have the dot and the circle all in the reticle at the same time. Here's a look at your 3 reticles. You've got your 3 MOA Dot, 65 MOA Circle, and 65 MOA Circle with the dot. Each of these reticles do have 10 levels of brightness. I'll go up and down on these here so that you can see the different levels. Obviously, you can adjust this here according to the lighting conditions in the environment that you're working in. You've got easy adjustments here for your windage and elevations. The turret caps do have a blade on top of it so that you can adjust the turrets in the field without having to have any tools. It is shake awake, so you know if your carbine has been sitting for a while, as soon as it detects motion, the Red Dot will come alive for you. It's easy to adjust settings here. You've got plus and minus buttons here on the top. These here will turn on and off the reticle as well as adjust the reticles and adjust the brightness settings. You got a battery on the side here, the CR2032 battery. They give you 2 of them, so you got one to get started and one as a backup. These are waterproof, shockproof, nitrogen purge, so you know they're going to be fog proof as well. Just a really nice setup here, guys. You know, if you guys are looking for a Red Dot Magnifier combo for your carbines, I highly recommend this kit here. I hope this helps.